This chicken is coming towards me because it's breakfast time. This is another red-headed chicken. Wow, look at his feet. It's yellow and red head. So many colors. Oh, that is white-headed chicken. White head. And can swing. I'm not sure this red-headed chicken can swing too. Can you swing? Looks very similar. But this is red-headed is very thin, and the white-headed is very fat. Just swing towards me, alongside me. I don't have meat for you. There are so many trees, fallen trees in the lake. The trees die. The birds fly in a so harmonious way. A gray-headed bird. Wow, you have everything. I just saw an old man feeding these birds using fish for the gray-head and using bread for the corn for the pigeons. She looks very experienced. He said that he has been feeding them for decades, for tens of 20 years. But I see the mud on himself. So I think that yeah, you can't judge a person by how clean they are. They are very kind person, right? Very nice person. Look at this bird. Wow, nice. This is gray hair. That is very nice. Old man feed these birds. Oh, that's a lazy bird. They haven't when other birds are having breakfast. They're still sleeping. Look. Oh, I have been running in this place because I wanted to run. Look, there's more beautiful place there.